Good morning, students. Welcome you all to my class. Myself, Zintu Soikia, Department of Education, DLV College, Sibsagar. Now I am going to discuss about personality development. Objectives of my presentation is to understand the concept of personality, to know how to develop personality, to provide some tips for stress management. Ordinarily, personality is taken as the external appearance of an individual. Personality is not a fixed state but a dynamic totality which is continuously changing due to interaction with the environment. Personality may be defined as the most characteristic integration of an individual's structure, interests, attitudes, capacities, abilities, and aptitudes. Personality development is the improvement of behavioral traits such as communication skills, interpersonal relationships, and attitude towards life. How to develop personality? Achievements of goals gives us confidence. Think of past achievements of yours. Problems appear difficult when we are facing them. After some time, when you have grown and you look back, they seem so insignificant. Identify your strengths and weaknesses. Don't expect everything to be perfect because you may make mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. Don't underestimate yourself. Think high of yourself. There are some retarding factors of personality. They are compromise, three leakages of mind, regrets of the past, anxieties for future, tensions in the present. Need to impress what others are thinking of me. Taking failure personally, it's an event, it's not you. Idea is rejected, not me. Self-esteem. How much you value yourself, how you see yourself and how you feel about yourself. Self-image by different people and activities. Treated by family, teachers, coaches, religious authorities. Find yourself in you are good at the act. Reward yourself, see good in yourself and feel good. Fill your mind with positive thoughts, accept what is real, take responsibility for your life, don't indulge in self-criticism. Positive attitude. Negative attitude says you cannot achieve success. Positive attitude says you can achieve success. Choose to be happy, look at the bright side of life, stay optimistic, find reason to smile more often, have faith in yourself and in the power of the universe. Associate yourself with happy and inspired people. Read inspiring stories. Fill your mind with good and noble events. Stress management. Stress is a very common phenomenon and is universal in nature. It is our body's reaction to people and events and to our own thoughts. Some level of stress is normal, such as before a test, stage performance, or an event. There are some tips of stress management. Take deep breath, talk it out, take a break, pay attention to physical comfort, exercise regularly, eat healthy food, maintain your sense of humor, manage your time. Know your limits. Do you have to be always right? Have a good cry. Look for the good things around you. Talk less, listen more. These are the summary of my presentation. Develop self-confidence, have high self-esteem, learn to manage stress, manage anger, develop good manners, set goals and plan your work, learn to manage time. Thank you.